Alden, the short update.
Speaking of kanina, buti hindi ka tumatakbo pa sa politika.
Politics.
Uy! Bakit po tayo? Hindi.
May sagot niya Alden.
There's been offers for me to run. But personally, at this point in my life right now, I respectfully decline po. Because lagi ko pong sinasabi na even though there's been a lot of clamor of me running for politics, I can help people without being part of the government. And it's not because ayoko siya dahil meron akong, may mga naririnig akong hindi maganda about the system whatsoever. It's not about that. It's about the platform that I have right now is more than enough for me to reach out to people who are in need. And so far po, masaya po ako dito na ma-maximize ko po yung pagtulong and at the same time nagagawa ko rin po yung mga bagay na gusto ko. But if the question is for running for politics, for now, Miss Ana, ayoko po.
For now.
Baka po for good. Hoy! Baka po for good. Malala po kasi first fashion show ko po yun. After 8 years, ako po yung ginawang opening. Of course, thankful po kay Sir Ben. Thank you, Sir Ben Chan and the team for the opportunity. But nakaka-pressure po siya kasi everyone was expecting so much of me because I'm gonna be opening the show. So that night pa lang, actually, the night before ko pa lang nalaman kung ano po yung segment ko and kung ano yung tribute and what's the ano yung essence ng damit ko. So that's a 1987, the first ever campaign of Bench of Kuya Richard Gomez. So yun yung suot niya habang nagsasagwan siya. So nakadagdag pa po sa pressure talaga naman. Kaya po sabi ko talaga, pag-uwi ko po sa bahay, sinilip ko yung katawan ko. Ano, kaya mo ba? Sige, laban na yan. Barin mo na yung bukas. So, grabe. Pero grabe din po kasi yung excitement ko, Tito Joe. Kasi first ko siya. And for some reason, pag gising ko sa umaga, lakas ng kabog ng dibdib ko, tapos very excited akong pumunta sa venue to rehearse. Sabi ko, let's go. This is my first best fast show. Let's go. Tapos nag-gym pa ako nun eh. Nag-gym pa ako. Sabi ko, Coach, tara, kita tayo mamaya doon ha. So, tapos nagpagupit. So, medyo palong-palo po talaga ako ng araw na yun. But, thank you po. But, yeah, the experience was surreal. It was, I think, I would consider one of the highlights of my year to date. And I'm just so happy I did it. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Ben. Siyempre, kung yung next, Nikki, ganun. Siyempre, yung next, hindi na ganun kadami yung saplot, di ba? Mababawasan yun. Di ba, Miss Ana? Hindi naman pwede na, naghubad ka na, tapos susunod, di ba, maghuhubad. Opo, kasi sa susunod naman po, sapatos naman yung mawawala. Para every year, may natatanggal lang.
Sabi nga yun.
Thank you po, thank you.
Si Alden, natural entrepreneur.
Yun, no?
Pag may opportunity, siyempre.
Hindi ko makakalimutan po, pwede ko ba i-share?
Oo.
Tinanong po niya, ilang taon ka na? Sabi ko, 33 po, boss. Sabi ni Boss Big sa akin, by the age of 40, if you continue on doing this, you will be a multi-billionaire.
Yun, no? Yung 10 billion na daw, age of 40.
Basta sabi ni Boss Big, you just have to keep yourself famous.
Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.